Own a home or manage a hotel? Hurricane season is no joke. We've got the Super Span Hurricane Screen, available in multiple colors to match your style, perfect for open social areas, and built to cover openings up to 30 feet wide by 12 feet high. We also offer Italian-designed, code-approved impact doors and windows, bifold doors, French doors, sliding glass doors, and unique entrance doors, made for serious protection in high-impact zones. All our products are manufactured to the highest standards for storm and hurricane protection. Add in our powerful roll-up shutters, custom fit for homes, resorts, and hotels. One call handles it all. Florida Building Code certified. Call us today and lock in real hurricane protection for your property.